Good evening to one and all present here. I welcome all of you for today's webinar on technical skills for future career. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Correspondent Sir Sri Gugilam Ramesh, our Principal Madam Dr. T. Mognasri, our Vice Principals Dr. P.B. Vanitha and Dr. M.V. Napinnai. On behalf of our college, I welcome you all once again. It's my pleasure to welcome our resource person, Mr. G. Lakshmi Sekhar, sir. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. He is having more than 27 years of experience, and sir did many certificate courses, especially PMI course from USA. Thank you once again, sir. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants once again. And I hope this session will help all of you for your future career. Once again, congrats and all the best for your future career on behalf of our college, Sri Kanika Parameshwari Arts and Science College for Women. I invite Mr. Lakshmi Sekhar sir to take over this session. Sir, you can take over the sessions. Sir, kindly unmute, sir.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, okay, hope you are able to see my screen.
Sir, just a second. Sir, your screen is not visible, sir. Sir, I make you as a host, sir. You can. Are you
able to see now?
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. I thought this is our screen. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Got it. Thank you. So welcome you all for this session, and thanks for this opportunity to select me for giving opportunity for contributing 1 hour to your lives. And the madam has introduced me a lot of things, but I don't want to be recognized by a lot of degrees what I have it. Okay, and I want to recognize that me as a person who started his entire career from this Devasthanam. Whatever Devasthanam blessings are there, so that's who I am right now. So I started my entire career from first standard to +2 in the same institution where you people are studying, and that's a proud moment for me. What else you require? The place where you studied, where you got it, and then transferring knowledge to the same community of people. And that's a privilege which you people are given to me. Thanks for this opportunity. Thanks to Devasthanam as well as college people. And since I have very limited period of 1 minute, so I don't want to waste in introduction about myself. And these are the certain things which I have in my profile, and I'm also a co-author for a book called Road to Project Success. This book is for project management. More than 7,000 project managers throughout the world are using this book, and people like L&T, all these companies, whatever you see over here. So these books people use from these companies, this project management training. I'm basically right now a project management trainer and consultant, and where I do training program for their career growth. And so I train more than 7,000 project managers from companies like L&T, Renault Nissan, and Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, HCL, HPE. So you name all these companies, whatever you are seeing, #1 companies in those domains, I would have been trying. This is very brief about me. And I represent a company called Info Carrier. I'm a regional director in that company. Okay, so this is brief about me. And So this session, something like this session, I did it in somewhere around 7 years back for the same college. I did around 3 to 4 hour session and for career growth. But this time I got 1 hour. Okay, so 60 minutes is what which is given, and I hope I will do my best to do this, add a value for you all. Now, see this call I got I think last week from the college, and I've been asked to give a 1 hour lecture. And immediately we said that so let's have a technical skill for future career. And later in the discussion, I found that this session is not only for technical people. This session is for all the people from all the domains and all the disciplines where people are going to join. So I thought of giving you a 1 hour which will add a value for you. So instead of just saying something which may not applicable for you, I thought it should address to everybody. It should address to everybody who over there in the call, and that's what my interest. So probably I'm going to take away this technical, and I'm going to make this as a skill for anybody. Okay, so which is going to make a difference for you. This 1 hour, my promise to you is just be in this discussion, and you will find lot of value. And at the end of 60 minutes, the way you think will definitely will alter. So that's my promise to you. Okay, and in the journey, you will also learn lot of things which you can do from now onwards. Okay, see currently if you so this call, whatever I got it, they said that they are from this class is being conducted from incubation center. Okay, now that word incubation ignited me, and I say that so now I need to incubate all these people. Okay, so right now there are 124 people are there, so I'm going to incubate you all. And so this 1 hour, you all will get in a new way of looking into your careers. That's what which my promise to you all. Okay, and it has to give a value, but to get in a value, one thing which all of us aspirant is we want to have a career. Okay, so which will add a value for ourselves as well as the other people also. Okay, so the first thing which I wanted to tell you and then surprise you is searching for a job. Okay, that's an old style. That's an old style. And getting a job and then starving for it and then working for some company, running, all these are it's in a world, it's a world practice. Now the globe is been moving, especially in our country. Things are moving so fast. Things are moving so fast. In 2019, they did a research, and we found out that 50%, the forecasting says that 50% of the workforce by 2025, no, 2025 is going to be freelancers. And most of them are going to be in a one-man company. It's going to be one-man company is going to have it. Now, you know what I'm going to do for you now. And so all of you, okay, so whoever is going to present, I'm going to make you an entrepreneurs. Okay, and for that, how this industry is moving, what you should do, and if you start from zero, what you should do. Okay, even you don't know anything, still you can start entrepreneurship. Okay, and you can have your own way of doing things. And so that's what is my interest of doing this 1 hour. So my job is going to add a value for you in the next 55 minutes. In the 55 minutes, I'm going to make this population, okay, by 2025. So this, see, whatever you are seeing right now, this is 2019. Okay, the 2019, whatever we did, that's what we are saying it. Now, today, because of a COVID, these things are changing now. These things are changing now, and so it may happen very early now. But already in the last 2 months of period, the things, whatever you see it, lot of people are working from home. And even people who are working in office, they are working from home, okay? Now that's what this entire journey is being taken care. So what is my request to you is, keep it open, how you can also be part of a freelancer and have a career, whatever you are interested to. So most of the time, in my experience, what I see in people, it is people want to do their dreams. No, they have a lot of dreams. Okay, each and every one of us, we have a dream. But what we will think it is, we will do that dream after some time. Okay, maybe after 20 years, after 15 years, like that. But you should not do that. Okay, you should do right away. You should have right away. That's this is the environment right now. It's very conducive for making all this. So I will give you an access for you in the next 50 minutes of period, so that you will also get it. Okay, so the research says that 1 in 3 workers will be a freelancer, either a part-time or a full-time activity. Okay, so see, right now, if any questions are there, you can raise it, and appropriate places, I can take your questions. Okay, so, and I have at least 10 to 15 minutes for you in this 55 minutes to ask questions, and I can take your questions. Okay, right now, hold your questions, and if you have any questions now, you can put it in the chat window. Then at the end of the session, I will take on all the questions, whatever you said it. Okay, and so this is what which I want you people to get in. And today the research says this is actually just 15 days before it is available in Economic Times. Okay, so it says that there is 75% rise in freelance position published in April, and it is going to be more now. I've seen personally, lot of people have recruited people now without seeing them. Without seeing them, the only thing which you require it is a computer with an internet, that is sufficient. I think today most of mobile phones comes with a good internet connection, and then only you should have a computer to work on. Okay, so this is what the statistics projection says, and we have an advantage of being in a flexi work. Actually, we don't say this as a freelance work. We say it's a freedom business model. So the current mantra for the industry is this model, whatever we are saying it, this we call it as a freedom business model. So in the freedom business model, what you get it is you get a flexi hours and control over job and clients. You can choose. Okay, you can choose the jobs. You can, whatever work you are going to do, you can choose, and you can choose clients also. And it is not that some company said that you should work with this customer, not like that. So you can choose the people and client and work whenever you want it. Okay, so it's a flexi hours plus there is no restriction for you, and then you are the boss and you take care of all the profit. One thing, all employed people, they always feel that management is not providing the transparency, and then they make a lot of profit, all those things which people say. Okay, but here, whatever it is there, it is for you. And but same thing, it also have disadvantages. Okay, so not steady or reliable workload. So sometimes you may get heavy work, sometimes you may not get work. So there will be a roller coaster. It will be roller coaster unless until you have a proper marketing aspect of it. That also I will tell you how to do that. And you need to distinguish between work and personal life. So when you are working from home, maybe you may be disturbed with your own personal work. So you need to draw a line. And if you don't do it, then work from home will not work. Okay. And searching for a new job. Okay, suppose one assignment is over. If you want to go for another assignment, you need to do a lot of marketing activity. Maybe you need to take up bags and then go to the office by office. Maybe probably today, because of COVID, you don't need to do, but maybe you need to do a cold calls. Okay, and sometimes in the freelancer work, one thing is if you don't have a good customer and then you have a good rapport with the customer, people may not pay. Okay, suppose if you are working in distant virtual locations, maybe not in your own location, somewhere in US, UK, or some other places, you may some people may not pay you. So you should be very careful. And how to take care of it, that also I will tell you as I progress. And no employee benefit, like you may not have EFPF and all these pricks, you may not be having it, or insurances, all these you may not have if you are in a freedom business model worker. So this is the top 5 advantages, top 5 disadvantages of being in a working, you itself becoming an employer, okay, and your own employment. Now, all this is the advantage and disadvantages, but if you want to be a freedom business model, so it starts with 3 things. There are 5 principles of freedom, and this, if you follow it, and you will be able to do a great job, and probably in next 2 to 3 years you can have your own organization, which maybe can go to public also, okay. And so first 5 principles, okay. So 5 principles, whatever it is there, you need to identify, okay. So you need to identify a serving hungry market. So you need to find out where is the potential. And potential, see, you can do lot of things, but is there a market for that? Or whatever you have it, you need to find out where we can serve. So this is what the first principle you should know. And second, working smart way rather than doing hard working. See, in our culture, somehow we all think that hard working will fetch results. But yeah, hard working will fetch a results. I'm not denying it. Doesn't mean that you work 14 hours, 15 hours, 24 hours working. That's not hard working. That means we are not managing our time effectively. And so you should go for smart working. And sometimes you may not be able to do everything. Then we need to take a support from other people, okay. And so that's the second principle which you need to follow. And third one is building a system. See, over the period of time, one of the problem with the freelancers is they want to do everything themselves, and everything you cannot do, okay. So you need to build a system, automation, okay. You need to do automation. Today the blessing is, without knowing any technical skill, I'm telling you, without having any technical skill, we can get lot of support from in online service providers. We can connect each other, and we can make a good amount of automation. Maybe I will tell you in another 10-15 minutes what people are doing in automation, so that over the period of time, even if you are sleeping, your business will run, and people start enrolling to your own products, and they'll be buying, and you will be making your money. So that's you need to build a system, and it should become independent of you. It should become independent of you. So that's one principle which people make a mistake when they do a freelancers, or they do their own individual work. So over the period of time, you should build a system, and that become automation. Once you build a system, then it become an automation. And some work, or most of the work, you should start delegating that. Over the period of time, you have an idea, and other people are going to execute your idea, and then you start delegating it, and then making it. One good news is, today we have so many tools available in online which will help you to automate every work. Okay. And another thing, you should be data driven. So that means what? Whatever actions you are taking it, are you getting any good results or not? We need to keep working on it. Keep working on it. Start analyzing the data. Now, if you see, now right now, I think time is around 4:20. Okay, we started around 4 o'clock, and we had around 110 people. So now in 20 minutes period, there are 148 people now. Now, what is this data is giving is, when we say 4 o'clock, people take time to join. And it can be a technical problem for other people, or some other work. And how to do this? This kind of a data analysis we should do for every business, whatever you do. And even if I say freelancer work or a freedom business model work, you should go and do research, okay? And you should go and do research and find out the data and get evidences. Then you should drive. Similarly, in the business, also, whatever you are doing it should be data driven. It should be data driven, and you should keep changing your strategies. You should keep stating strategies, okay? See, how come in the cricket matches, Dhoni, Kohli, or Leandro Paes, all these people, they also like human being like us, but what is the difference between them and us is when things are going, they keep taking status and they take a decision accordingly. And they play different strategies. The difference between them and us is on the court, there are a lot of strategies they change it. So now the model in which you have been trained, maybe getting a job, okay? But what is the situation right now? The environment is not good now. So probably people say that it will take some time. And to get into that sometime, you should not go with your old plan. You should not go with the old plan. Now, as per the situation, you need to work. Or else, normally what people will say, no, because of a COVID, I'm not able to do this, that, this. So people will start saying all this. But that's not the case, okay? On the court, you should take new strategy. And whatever your skills are there is always market for that. There is always market for that. Okay, and how you are going to see it, that is in your hand. So these 5 principles will run your freedom business model. So this is the first part, okay? And second part, I say that in the business model, there are overall 7 normal business model people can see it. And I think most of you are aware about this. I'll just tell you very quickly. See, one, people make it like manufacturers. So people manufacture certain things and then they do distribution of that work. And then people go for a retail, maybe like what do you say, Reliance Mart or Spencer's, and where people go and retail marketing and they people purchase it. The other thing, most of us, we are familiarized, it is service. Okay, so we go and render our services and we do businesses. And another thing is franchisee model. So where people take a franchisee of some big brands and then they start working on it, maybe Domino's or it can be Ola. And sorry, Ola is aggregator. So franchisee model, you can say Domino's, okay, or Spencer's supermarket or Reliance supermarkets, where they give a franchisee and then you can take it and work it, like NIIT, Aptech. So they also do franchisee model where we can take it and then work. And today, these are all become older, okay? So this are all become traditional one. Now, in the last 5-10 years of period, people started working aggregators. The top 10 people, top 10 richest people in the world, they all are doing only this aggregating model. They don't have any product. They don't have any product. They become an aggregator for this. It is like Ola. So Ola have a platform where car owners or drivers can attach their cars and they just do services. And they manages world largest aggregator of maybe a car rental company without having any single car. And Amazon is a so much big company, but they don't manufacture anything and they become aggregator. And so they just do things. And like this, you can be a service provider and then make an aggregator, okay? And, but now this also gone, because to do this aggregation, today we require a lot of money and a lot of energy we need to put up. Now, as an individual, the people can go to the freedom model. So the freedom model, like I said, you have your own knowledge, which you can leverage for people who want it and make money. Now, I know people who do this with the freedom model, independently working, even every month they make in India. Okay, I'm not talking about abroad. Abroad, maybe you can talk about millions, all those things. But in India, I know people who make 1 crore business. One person making 1 crore business every month. And like this, there are so many people are there and who working on this model. And this is the new model. And to be very honest, this model even you cannot find in the internet also. And this is the way which is going on. So probably down the line, you will find like making distribution, retail, service, franchisee, aggregation, you will find in your books also the freedom model. Okay, and this is the second thing which you need to know. But as I said, the road is not smoother. Okay, so you should be very careful, and so there are some pitfalls also there. And so why people fail, especially when they do their own businesses or a freedom model in online. Okay, now the biggest reason is not sure where to start. Okay, so maybe I will give you an access to you at the end in another 20 minutes how you can uh, where to start. Okay, and overwhelming with information. So if you go to the Google, so right now what you people all will do, what are all I'm telling it to you, all this you can note down and then go and search in the net, and you keep searching, and over the period of time you will be lost, and you may not be knowing where to start, where to end. And that's the biggest problem. One way, internet being the blessing for us, in another way it is taking away our time and energy. Okay, and you need to uh, draw a line. Okay, draw a line, and probably like you need to have somebody who can mentor you. What is good, what you need to depend, what cannot be depend, you need to know. And these resources initially require some money. You need to invest, and without investment it doesn't work. Why you need to invest, that also I will address it in these coming slides. And implementing things in wrong way. So since if you don't know, it will take time. Okay, it will take time, and then people make quit. Okay, see, right now whatever I'm telling you in the last 20-30 minutes of period, it took me to understand almost 7-8 months. And I implemented certain things which making my business run in auto. And all these years, almost 7-8 years, I was implementing, I was doing it, but I was not sure about how to do it. So this is the personal experience is, if you don't do correctly, you may lose time and money, and people may quit whatever they are doing it. And one thing is, people should be very clear, it is people not sure about the mission, what they want to do. And this is the biggest thing. And people always think that money, I want to make money, that's what I'm doing it. See, money is not making you to work. Okay, that's not a big deal. When you have a money, what you are going to do it, that is what will drive you. So if you ask me what is that is a driving factor for me, is creating more leaders. Now that's what is the mission of me. And that aspect of it, whenever I go and speak to people, I contribute to people in their leadership role, or I get contributed from you. So it is contribution and contributing. In the journey of doing this, I make business. I make business. Okay, and my mission is very clear: contributing and creating more leaders for this planet who lift lifestyle of this planet to the next level. See, 20 years back, what we are enjoying today, it is not at all there in 20 years back. Probably we are not conscious about what we are doing it. Okay, see, 15 years back, when mobile industries was been booming, and see, my parents are not educated, they made me educated, and now I do so many contribution to a lot of people. And first time when we purchased a mobile phone to my mother said, no, this all doesn't require for me. She is fearful of having in a what do you say, speaking to telephone itself, she'll have afraid. And then we convinced her and then have one phone to her, and she said okay, she will use it. And later, after some time, 4-5 years, we given her a touch phone, and she said, no, that phone only I can use it, this phone I cannot use it. Now we said, no, nothing doing, and then she took that phone. And now today she has a WhatsApp, she also checks Facebook, but she doesn't know anything. Okay, she is not studied, and she just clicks and then do it. It is so user friendly. Okay, people who doesn't know any educational background also can use this all functionalities. And my mother, a so religious person, and she go and teaches to a lot of people, Nalare Divya Prabandham, lot of slokas to everybody, whoever comes to her, she will go and teach. Actually, she will go to their homes and teach all this. But because of last 80 days of period, this of COVID, we said that she cannot go to anywhere, and she is sitting in home. You know what she is doing? She is taking classes in the last 80 days of period. She took more than 10 people. He completed Nalare Divya Prabandham teaching through phone. Now today, my mother is asking, Shekhar, in one go, you are taking so many people classes. Can I do like that also? And that means she is asking me to teach Zoom also. And that is the facilities which is giving to the people. Now, this kind of a facility is never is available for the in the planet for any generations are available. The only thing is, if you can use wisely, you can make a difference to the people's life. And that aspect of it is what is the driving factor for you to make it. See, job anyway, you will get it, okay? But what about your dream? What about your dream? And that is the motivational factor for doing it, okay? And today, there are so much of opportunities are available. Sitting from home, you can make a miracles. You can make a miracles. So these are the three things which you're supposed to know: the principles of a freedom and freedom model, and 7 business models, and then 5 reasons, okay, why people fail in online. So these things is the primary thing. But I said first failure model. So let me also tell you the success model also. So it says the core success principles is treating this like a business. Okay, so even though you are working from home, you should treat as a business. Okay, and you should have a mindset to solve the problem. See, it is not that what you can do, people should come and do it. So you should go and solve the problem. What is the problem which we are solving? What is the problem which I'm solving? So this 1 hour, what is the problem which I'm solving? The people who are over here, what is the problem which I'm solving? And first, I should be get said that I can do contribution to all these people who are all coming over there, whatever they are, whoever they are. That's a mindset for me. And this discussion will have an access for you to do it. So similarly, whatever you do, you should have a mindset and to contribute. Okay, and that's what required. And more you sell, more you make. So your job is you need to sell more and more. And you doing it individually may not possible. So that's why you need to make an automation. And when you don't do automation, you cannot sell more. You cannot sell more. See, I started 13 years back taking training program for project managers. And individually, I used to do every Saturday, Sunday, from morning 8:30 to evening 7 o'clock, I take training program. Not 1 week, 2 weeks, 51 weeks in a year. Okay, maybe 1 year you may get some 1 week, you may get some festivals or something, but almost 50 to 51 weeks I used to take training program. And my business expansion is very, very minimal. And if I go, I can do business. But in the last 4 years of period, I trained so many people. I trained 65 trainers, and my business is expanded like an exponential. Today, whether I go to company or not, okay, the business will run. Now, running a company in Chennai itself is difficulty, but right now we are running a company in Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, and Kolkata, and then Hyderabad, and Trivandrum, Coimbatore. And these are all are possible when you want to scale up. You want to scale up, we should start thinking about going for an automation aspect of it. And don't go with one-time purchase, one-time sales. Whatever sales you are doing it has to be a recurring activity. How to do that? That also I will tell you in the next one. And one thing which you need to keep doing it is educating. Okay, so you need to keep learning. So one bad news to you, all of you, is now today, if you don't learn, you cannot survey. The good practices says that you need to invest whatever money you earn. Okay, in future when you join and then do 10% of your money should go for learning. And you need to keep engage yourself, and then sell the things. So these are the core principles if you want to do a freelancers and the freedom business model which we need to work. Okay, and so the good thing which we require it is for choosing a right program. Okay, so one thing which you need to do it is you need to choose a right program. And if you want to get trained, okay, see, definitely you all require some training. Immediately you cannot proceed. My suggestion to you is you should go for some mentors and who can train you on this, so that it will give you an easy method to reach it, or it will take long time. Now, which took me for 7 months, 7 years. When I went to for a mentoring, it just took 4 months for me. So you should have a right mentor, and you need to have a passion, and you should know benefit of one-time sales and recurring sales. And what is the difference between physical and digital? See, in the physical, if you sell one time, it is over. But it's in digital, you can replicate it n number of times. How come Microsoft able to make so much of money? Because one software only, but that software millions of people are using, millions of people are paying it. And like we say in our culture, Akchay Patra, no? So as you take out softwares, you can keep getting it. So if you everything whatever you have in a digital platform, you can sell it to more people. If it's a physical, then it is only one time. So you should know this logic, okay? And having a good mentoring will take you to a good place, okay? So this is the right program which we need to choose. Now, I'm going to skip few things and I'll come back to this, okay? See, this is the business model which people follow, okay? And just a minute, okay? Just a minute. Okay, see this side in the x-axis, we put up a volume, okay? Now you need to choose what kind of people who you are going to serve, okay? So one, volume, okay, which is high and low. So that means I'm going to sell more amount. So then more numbers, that becomes volume. And this is value, okay? See, I'm telling you all this. You may think that you are all are freshers, you will not will work. See, 5 months back, I attended one event. In that, 50% of the people are students. And all these 50% of the people are earning 3 to 4 lakhs in a month while studying. And in that group, there are 120 people who are there. And almost 50 to 60 people are from young people who are all still studying. And they make 2 to 3 lakhs by doing the this freedom business model. And how they make it, okay? Just listen carefully. There are 4 models are there. And one, let us say that you are charging less. Let's say you are charging less, then you need to have more people. Now, then you require aggressive marketing, and you can go by online or go to colleges or go to corporates, institutions where you should do bulk activity. So today in online, there are so many facilities are there where you can sell whatever services you have. What to sell, that I will tell you right now. What is the current market, and which will help you to reach more people, okay? So that's you need to reach more people. Now I know there is a website called Udemy, and in that site there are thousands of courses are there, and some courses which cost outside 1 lakh, 2 lakh, in that portal they will sell it at 600 rupees. But they make a huge number of people they serve, okay? So if you are charging less, most of the time the mindset is I need to charge less. So if you are charging less, you need to serve more people. Suppose if you charge less, if you are charging less, okay, listen carefully. This is where most of the people will fall. You charge less and you also have a volume less, and you are going to lose, okay? So you will have a depression, dejection, or deception. In other words, see, most of the people, like people who take like tuitions or small groups, and they charge less, maybe you may survive, but growing it will become a challenging for you. So if you are serving low with the low, that means you can do only survival, but the growth may not be there. But if you have a low volume, for it, then you should charge more. You should charge more, maybe 1-to-1, and a group mastery, or sometimes will 4 people, 5 people, we can do it. So this model is working now in India. This is the growing business, like consultants, okay? So one-to-one coaching, mentoring, this is where we'll get. I know few mentors where they charge for 2 days 3 lakh rupees. And I know some people per day they charge 35 to 40,000 rupees. And forget about all the people, okay? I charge 35,000 rupees per day. 8 hours consultation, I charge 35,000. And to get into this reach, you need to you need to get trained. You need to invest time and money. Okay, so this is the high paying client, and this market is a new market in India, and in abroad it is already matured. But if you can have a money and then spend, invest and learn things and then start doing in a group coaching or a mentoring, anything, okay, it can be health, it can be finance, or it can be anything, okay. So you can do, people do parenting, okay, how to be a good parent, okay, how to get good businesses, and so many kind of varieties of things people do it. That's in a one-to-one coaching. People for parenting pay per hour 10,000 rupees. Now, this is the area which India is growing right now, and so all of you can invest certain things, whatever you know, and how to do that. That I will tell you the model how you can be an entrepreneur. Okay, and suppose value is high. If value is high and volume is high, if value is high, volume is high, then this model, okay, is what is required right now. So probably what people do is they put up an events. Like I think you would have been seeing your Facebooks and LinkedIn, in Twitters and all these places. There are a lot of people are giving us free classes. So when you go to the free classes, they will tell you certain things. After that, they will say that you can purchase this model. Then they take you to the second level purchase. Once you go there, then they take you to the third level, fourth level. So like this, we will create a funnel where we move people from here to here. We move people from here to here. And research says that if 200 people get interested, 2 people come to over here. 2 people come to here. And you do more and more things, aggressive marketing, and then funnel building. So to do funnel building, so you need to create a free courses or free classes or free intro sessions. You should go and do some free session and get the database and do email and then blogs, conversion, all this tracking you do, and then increase this whatever services you want to provide. Okay, and this will help you to make more reach to the people. And today this itself is market. Okay, if somebody just do research on how to send an email, you can only sending emails and you can make money. And writing blogs, like I think some of you are from BA or MA and you are good in writing. There are so many people are searching for a good documentation, okay, and good write-ups. You can invest time and write blogs, and then you can also invite people to serving them. So this is the one method which people do, writing blogs and making it. Suppose if you are good in language, you can start doing this, and you can write. Even you can write emails and then make money. There is a site called Fiverr, and this Fiverr site, like that we have a freelancer. These sites, there is a services you can render for $5. So $5 is 350 rupees. And there are so many people come to there and then they give services. Maybe to start with, you can go to Fiverr, whatever services you want to make it, you can put your profile over there. It just takes 10 minutes, okay? So 10 minutes, whatever you want to do. And then you can make next level like this. Now, first thing, what is that which you're supposed to do all those things, okay? You should do a market research. Okay, you need to market research and find out what is the pain area. So first thing, anything you want to do it, what is your strength? And second, you need to see what is the customer pain point. What is the customer pain point which you can address it? And that you need to aware about it. Maybe you need to do some research and choose a right product and identify keywords. Okay, when you go for marketing, you should know the keywords. Okay, now to do this activity, and the current research says that the number one products which industry, especially in the net, in the online, what is the biggest business? The biggest business in the market is these factors. Okay, on the healthcare, this is the topmost one, healthcare and fitness. Everybody worried about all this. And you have a natural weight loss, stress, muscle gain, low impact, fat losing, organic food, raw food, natural healing, wellness. And I know one person who does business in WhatsApp. Okay, and every 15 days she sends a message saying to the group, she will call, invite people to a WhatsApp group saying that we will do a natural therapy coaching, and we will give a certificate also. The coaching will happen from WhatsApp. So she will collect 500 to 600 rupees from everybody through Google Pay or Instamojo, and then she will put up in one group. Every day she will send one video, one write-up on these factors. And then at the end of the session, she will give a certificate to people. And after 15 days, she will say that stress management. After 15 days, she will say that maybe what do you say, mathematics, the ancient mathematics, and then she will conduct 15 days. So like this, she makes anywhere between 5 to 6 lakhs just providing everyday WhatsApp only. Now, all these people who are there, one thing which we saw it is they are all worried about people health conscious. And today, because of a COVID, people become more health conscious. Okay, so if your domain is somewhere over here, this is also possible. Even if you don't have this, don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, I will tell you, you no need to do anything, but still you can make money. You can take money. Okay, so the second niche market in the industry is in the online, the relationship. Okay, marriage, parenting. This is big industry in India now. Maybe our ancestors did without doing all those things, but today, because of the last 30 years, the modernization, everything, and people require a coaching for parenting also. Okay, and body language, educational activities. This is a very big industry. Okay, and any training program which you want to make it. Okay, I personally can support you people, and anything related to education you want to make a business. So maybe I will share my details to you at the end of the session. And so I can be a mentoring. I'm doing it for more to 4 to 5 people, and see this how to make educational activity. And it is in India is a $25 billion market in the next 3 years of period. And today, COVID has making us very less. Now you can see everybody are there in online, and they are anything which enriches knowledge of the people are ready to pay it. Okay, but you should see, when you do things, please don't copy paste from net and then publish it. Nobody will respect it. Everybody knows what is there in the net. You should have your own flavors, and for that you should go for certain coaching activity. So this is the biggest aspect of it in the current industry. And other than this, how to make money. Okay, that's the biggest market, and be careful about it. See, a lot of people in the net, they say that you pay the money and you will get the job. So never ever enter into online paying to many money to people. Okay, you pay money to them, consider that you lost the money. And there are so many people will mislead you. Don't pay any money to online businesses. Okay, that's an cautious. Okay, and today there are so many people who do real estate marketing. I have my friend who go and enrolled real estate people, and he have 10 telecallers, and he does marketing. And these 10 people make a business of almost 10 crore business in a month, and he gets almost 2 to 5% commission from all these real estate agents. And investment, that's another big market. People do it. People have a money where to invest. Okay, you will find a lot of financial consultants. So if you are from economics background, or a maybe accounting background, you can be over here on the investment models. Okay, and similarly, people are struggling about how to make their retirement plans, and a lot of people are there, and how to get rid of their loans. And you can be a consultant for them, and you can learn and you can support them. So there are courses are there. There are people who can train you on this and do this. And another thing, there are a lot of people who want to start business. Okay, and like you, and you can support them also. Now, all these all are the areas where you can bet on, where you can bet on. Now, I told you what is the market and where you need to do and how you need to make it and how you need to do research also. Now, these skills require a little bit of salesmanship and marketing skills also. And if you are going online, there are so many courses are there which will help you to make present your business online and get in a conversion. Okay, it requires, if you put dedicated work, if you put a dedicated work, there are models are available. If anybody interested, maybe you can send a mailers. I can send, maybe you can give you a call. I can tell you in 30 days. In 30 days, you can build a business, and you need to just spend 4 hours per day and follow the practices, whatever it is proven model is there, and then you can start making the things. Okay, now all this, one thing which you need to work on it is, suppose if you say that I don't know any of this, I don't know money, I don't have let's say any knowledge, and I don't have any product, can I make it any money over here? So there is a big opportunity over here which is called affiliate marketing. And don't go and join some other place, every nook and corner. Okay, so these are the top affiliate marketers in the entire world. You don't need to have any product. You can take product from here and create one website, and you can put their product. When people sell, you sell, and you will get a commission automatically in your bank account. Now these are all are proven models. There is no way. This is Amazon. Okay, see, currently what people are working it is, it's called ecosystem. So when you bring a one customer to Amazon, when you bring a one customer to Amazon, and that customer, whatever he purchases in future, and you will get a commission. You will get a commission. And he buys a later a iPad, you will get a commission. He buys later grocery, you get a commission. So this is called affiliate marketing, and this also a lot of people are doing it, and these are the major people in the globe. Okay, so these are all which I done a lot of research on this, and you can also work on it. These people can help you. And anything, you don't require anything, you require only a computer and internet connection, and that's sufficient for you to make it. And finally, this is the critical for you, everybody. Okay, and so before I take this, okay, that's the last slide for me. Okay, before, that's a last slide for me, and I can take certain some questions, and then later I will take you to that slide, and then we will close it. Okay, so I think I have 5-6 minutes. I'll take 1 or 2 questions. Okay, so let me check the chat window. Okay, so anybody have a question, or you can raise a hand, maybe we can unmute you. Okay, so no questions, I got it. Okay, so let me finish that also. Okay, there are 3 participants raise the hand. No, I'm not able to get it. Who is that? Okay, so and can you, I don't have a control over unmute. Can anybody help me from KP how to unmute? Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I think the name says Galaxy 07 Pro. I unmuted you. Are you able to unmute? Galaxy 07 Pro is the name it says. Okay, who else? I think I have some. Who's there? Top question. Okay, can you just try unmute and then speak, or you just put it in the chat window? Okay. Okay, so I'll just complete it. Then I will take the last questions. Okay, I think some technically I'm facing a problem. Okay, listen. This next five minutes, whatever we are going to discuss, this is the mantra. It's called mastery mantra. Okay, anybody can follow for any activity, whatever you are doing it, and then you become a mastery in that. Okay, so listen carefully. When I say that you yourself can become a businessman and you can do uh, your own uh, life, you can decide. If your emotion, okay, if your emotion is says that fearful, I'm seeing the last one. Okay, it is fearful, insecure, and ignorance. Okay, and should I do it or not? The first thing you're supposed to do it is the strategy for doing it. It is you need to serve. Okay, first you need to serve. Do it at any cost. Sometime you may need to do free also, and build a track record. Take a feedback from people. Build a repository. Be a good newsers. Okay. See, when I go where in Chennai, I not find much places. But when I go to Coimbatore, and I found every shop, no, even the small shop, they in a cake shop also they will have a feedback, and they will have a post-it sticker and write a feedback and paste it in the wall. I've seen small shops also getting a reviews about it. Even some people put up in the online also. So you need to create a track record, and you need to do serve free, okay, or at any cost, at low cost. We're supposed to do. You should build a track record. It is first you should get a confident that you can do it, and for that you need to do at any cost, okay. And see, when I started doing this project management training program, I was very fearful, okay, and studied in Telugu medium and done all those things. I have a fear of going and attending interviews also. But when I changed my career 13 years back to a trainer, and I was very fearful of doing it. At that time, people don't come to me. I used to do a lot of things and create a track record. And today, last 7 years, whatever we did it, and with the rapport, I don't do marketing. I don't do marketing. People just come back to us. And second, if your emotion is conservative, I'm feeling that I'm not good enough, I'm yet there. I think most of the people will be over here. Is it possible for me? Is I'm good? Is it possible for me? Is what you should do it. Now, these people who have this kind of an attitude, this kind of a thinking or emotion, you need to invest time and money, which you don't have. And see, investment, either the time or money, if you do, and then you need to create a mastery, you need to create a knowledge, and then you need to demonstrate it. For that, you need to invest time. I know people, when they are this level, I know some of people who lost their entire money after 15, 16 years of period, and took a loan about 30 to 40 lakhs and learned 2 years things, okay. Today, those people are making anywhere between every month, anywhere between 20 to 40 crores business, which they are doing it. And you need to invest time and money and get it right. So if your feeling is I'm not enough, then you need to invest time and money. And if you are, see, once you reach, this is the most of the people, since you are all our students, this is the two places where you will be, lot of people will be there. Suppose if you are confused, should I go for a job or should I work, or frustrated, and you feel that I have so many work, so many things of works are there, and I'm not able to do it, and then you need to build a system, and proactively management is supposed to do. So you should build a system where you can delegate work and work people. Okay, so even if you are working from home, and you should not do all the activities. Okay, and then you should delegate certain things and build a system for that. And over the period of time, you will move from here to here and here to here, and then this is the place. Okay, this is the place people feel that I'm doing same thing monotonously. So that is the time you need to think about doing quality work. So for example, during these three places, even if you do raw video, you can do with your mobile phone, you can do with a web camera, whatever you want to do, you can do. No need to have a quality recording, quality content you need to develop. But when it comes to over here, where you need to build a quality content which people see, maybe Baiju, like that, you can check up. Okay, once you are there, you start making money. Okay, you can start making money and you will be enjoying it. And once you reach this abundance place, you no need to do, and even sleeping, you will make money. And that time you start looking for repaying your loans. If you taken a loans over here, and that loans you should start paying it. And finally, you need to use power. Okay, what is powerful? It is now everything making automated. Now you need to start building you need to learn more, and you need to start from the scratch again. From here, you need to start new things. And it is not only for the business, whatever you want to do. Let's say you want to take care of your health. If you want to take care of your health, and your experience is, I am feeling, then do it any cost. Invest time and make it proactive management. And then you need to live powerfully. And this way, even if it is a health, money, or career, anything, this is the steps in which mastery of any practices you want to make it. And see this slide, whatever you are saying it, people don't get it. Okay, and this is been done research by various top people in the world, and this is how we evolve. This is how we will allow. Probably some of you who would have been learned general management skills in your college days. If you remember, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herzberg's theory, McClellan's theory. So Herzberg's theory says that people work for economical needs. Once you fulfill that, then only you will reach to the next level. So then the next level. So then you will reach the self-actualization. So same thing will happen. Probably you are in the downermost one. At this time, I want you people to invest time and money, which will help you to grow to the next level. And first, for doing all this, you should have a mindset. Okay, so you should have a mindset. You need to trust you. See, I think I've taken 5 minutes extra. I'll just take 5 minutes and then we'll close the session. Okay, and sorry for this extra time.
Sir, no problem, sir. You can carry on, sir.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you. See, one thing which our educational activity, which we are familiarized is, we know that actions will create results. And when we have a results, we always consider that results are positive. It no need to be okay. It doesn't mean that you take an action, results will become. It will not happen. And results can be positive. Results can be positive, or results can be negative. So it can be positive. If it is positive, we are not worried. Okay, we celebrate it and then we'll forget about this. If it is negative, we think that we are a failure and we never ever able to make it. Okay, so the $1 million question which we need to ask is, we don't take action. We don't take action. Even in your education. Okay, you all know that you need to make you need to study, and then you need to get good marks, and then be confident for you. But how many people, how many of us, we are taking action on this? And people know that doing yoga, jogging, walking will make a difference for them. But how many people, they all know it. Okay, but how many of people are doing it? In other words, knowing doesn't make any difference. And we need to know why we are not taking action. You know why we take action? If you want to take action, we need to believe. Okay. So we need to trust. You need to believe. And if there is an impact, then we will take action. You see, the entire world never ever would have been seen this kind of a situation where 90 days, in last 80 to 90 days of period, entire world is sitting in home. Know why? We know that if I go out, there will be impact. And if there is an impact, we will naturally will take action. We'll naturally will take action. If there is a trust, we will take action. If there is a belief, we will take action. If there is a context, we will take action. So in your career, what is the context? And that context will help you to take action, and action produces results. If there is a results failure, what normally people do is they change, go and do this, they change the trust. Suppose I did a walking for 1 week to reduce weight from my body. And after 1 week, I stood on the weight scale and I found that 2 kilos more. And what I do now, I'll say that walking doesn't make any difference for my life or my health is what we will say. Now that means what? We are changing the trust. Actually, you should not change the trust. When things are negative, you should go and take new action. And when things are going wrong, you should take new action. Never in your lifetime, you should not change the trust and the results. And ongoingly, our lifetime job is taking new action, taking new action, taking new action, taking new action, taking new action. And that makes you powerful. Your trust, your own confidence should not be given by circumstances or other people what they are saying it. What other people are saying it, that is what is making your dream to be down, and then you are weak, no? You are weak. And you should keep taking action, you should keep taking action, should keep keeping action. Now you need to decide. You need to decide this is an opportunity in this time, getting in a job and then going it, or you can become your own world, you can create your own world and then make it. Okay. So how to get a job? Million people would have been short, will have been given you access to you. So many, in the traditional method, we know how to get the job. Okay. Apply to all the resumes to more companies, HRs, consultants, and then you can get the jobs. But that is also okay. Okay, I'm not saying it. Take continuous action till you get the job. You need to keep knocking HRs, keep doing it, searching, applying it, and then you should continually doing it. So this is the mantra which we need to follow at any given time. Okay, so actions only produces results. And my invitation to you is, in this 1 hour, I thought of giving you a new world which India is getting ready. The entire world is getting ready on the freedom model. Okay, where there is one-man company. There is a one-man company. Maybe I got only a 1 hour period. I may not be able to guide everything. Okay, so probably I will share you by taking couple of my contact details. If anybody required, you can contact me, and whatever best possible from my end, I will do it. Okay. So let me check up.
The participants are.
Any questions, madam?
Yes, sir. They want to ask some questions.
Yeah. So I'm not able to unmute them. So
yes, yes, sir. I can. Kumudavalli, you can ask your question. Hello.
Yes, Kumudavalli. Yes, madam.
Or you can post in a chat box. We can ask on behalf of you. So most of them, they are giving feedback. It is a fantabulous session and super session. Only 3 participants raised hand, but they didn't ask any question. But a few of them, they asked about your contact details, sir.
I'll just share it in my.
Yes.
So this is my contact details. I hope you're able to see the screen, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, at any given time, if I'm not picking up the call, I'll call back to you. And when I'm in training or having dinner are driving, I don't take calls, and I'll call back to the people, each one of them on that day itself. And most of the time, 50% I'll be in the training programs. If I'm not picking up, don't worry, I will call back. When I call back, just tell me that you are from SKP college, and so that it will help, because I mentor a lot of students and I need to know
It is
whom.
open for all the students, sir, actually.
Yeah.
Almost all. Sir, really it is, you have enlightened many young minds with your skills and mantra today, I think. Now I request Ms. B. Radhika to propose the vote of thanks.
Now, before that, so I want to acknowledge every one of people who participated. Thanks for giving your 1 hour 10 minutes to us. It is really awesome, and I prepare certain things for you, but which I want you people to get in a difference. Okay, so I hope I would have been added value. And first, I want to thank the organizers, and I think Radhika madam called me last week, and then Sudha madam also done, and Mohanasri madam, and actually I personally know her, and she is, for maybe for all of you madam, for me Akka, so she is my neighbor, so I know her from long time, and so thanks for giving this opportunity, Monata, and I hope I can engage few more things. If you can give me an opportunity, I can incubate people to more people to drive. If required, I can contribute to more people also on more things, especially educational activity. If anybody want to do on educational aspect of it, people can count on me. Okay, maybe product development, product thing, maybe little idea I have it, but I can incubate people so that they can nurture them as an entrepreneurs.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to one and all. Gratitude is the best attitude. It's a time to show our gratitude to all. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our management, correspondent Sir Guhilam Ramesh, and our principal Dr. T. Mohaneshri, and vice principals Dr. P.B. Vanita and Dr. M.V. Napinay for their continuous support and encouragement. I also thank our head of the department, Dr. A. Sudha Ramkumar, and my colleagues for their continuous support. I extend my special thanks to our resource person, Mr. G. Lakshmi Shekhar, Regional Director, Info Career Private Limited, for his valuable information and making this session successful. Last but not least, I thank our participants from various colleges for making this event a successful one. I wish and pray for all to be safe and healthy. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.